let's get to our third story, which is we're finally going to see a Bitcoin options launch on the CME. It's called Backed. JPMorgan says they see high anticipation. What do we think?
So I think that there's been high anticipation for institutional adoption of Bitcoin for a very long time. I used to cover it very heavily. I know some of my Bitcoin friends might be watching and pretty angry with me right now. It takes a long time because even though the futures and options markets are opening up, some of the fundamental concerns for big institutional investors, regulatory risk and whatnot, those are still problems. And so until some of that is cleared up, and also, what is Bitcoin, right? There's still, JPMorgan treats it as a commodity in the report they put out today. They actually said Bitcoin has a lot of downside risk after the rally because the market value is above the intrinsic value. And so, on one hand, there's a lot of institutional interest, but on the other hand, there's a lot of risk still there.
It sounds exactly the way that investment banks treat it.
Yeah.
Like there's interest, but like I feel like CEOs have reversed their position on Bitcoin like every 3 months because they're like, yeah, we know that Wall Street wants it, but no, we don't want to touch it. Yes, we do. No, we don't.
But let's be honest. Investment banks love risk, and so
they want to love it.
Even though, they want to love it, and they are aware that it's there. But there's a lot of risks Bitcoin does pose to existing business models and how we think of currencies. So that's another thing that they are aware of.